DLOnline 4 pieces faucet cover, leaf design faucet extender, by DLOnline is one of the best sellers among baby bathroom safety products. Material, durable plastic, non-toxic materials, BPA, PVC and phthalate-free. The sink extender is easy to remove for cleaning and dishwasher safe. Designed to fit on most conventional bathroom faucets, compatible with most faucets of all shapes and sizes. The perfect size is very convenient to carry, so take it with you. The spout extender, as kids' bathroom accessories, bring water closer to kids to make hand washing easier, and with kid faucet extension, now the water stream from the faucet is reachable to toddlers without having to stand up on a stool, which is dangerous. Easy to install. Please be noted that this extender don't work for all the faucet. Please check the manufacturer's picture. The manufacturer showed which kind of faucet it don't work. 100% quality guaranteed. If have any problem, 100% refund. Features: high quality material, durable for long time use. Lightweight design, portable for convenient use. Precise design and cartoon appearance, make kids fall in love with washing hands. Easy to use, just hand to the tap, then helps to guide the water closer to kids. Helps to form a habit of washing hands, keeps away from bacteria. Specifications: item, faucet cover. Material, silica gel plus PP. Color, as picture. Pattern, leaf. Application, baby ages 12 months and up. Package included: 2x leaf faucet cover brown, 2x leaf faucet cover blue. Please be noted that this extender don't work for all the faucet. Please check the manufacturer's picture. The manufacturer showed which kind of faucet it don't work.